So today we are trying out the B&B Better Burning Charcoal Competition char logs. So I've got these all set up, and of course the neighbor's dog's barking, but got all these set up in the barbecue pit, and that's on my char broiler, the one that I modified. So we're going to go ahead and get this fixed up. Got a little bit of a coal bed burning there, and kind of a modified snake method, more of a square, since this is it is round in some ways, but it's going to go around and hopefully pick up all that hickory that's on the side. So I'm getting this pit up to temp, and we're going to cook some chicken breast with rib meat today. Let's see how that comes out. It's like both gauges are coming up to temp. So I've got one on the far left and I've got one on the far right. As you can see, I've modified this barbecue pit just a little bit more with covering up the top. No temp up there. Food's not cooking up there, it's cooking down on the bottom. So I decided to put these things closer to the grill. So if you want to see an up close right there, we're getting right into that area where we want to be. More to the other side, it's also getting up to temp, so looks pretty good. We'll get this in here and get going here in just a moment. Got these rubbed down for putting into the barbecue pit, and just some basic rub. I decided, since I had on hand some Lowry's, I'm gonna do that. A little bit of paprika for color, and also a little bit of oregano for a little added flavor. Rubbed a little bit of avocado oil on there just to see how that would come out. So it's all an experiment. See what happens and try it out here. So now I've got these all situated in here with the thicker side towards the firebox, since I'm using an offset smoker. And we're going to see how this comes out. Like I said, it's an experiment for me. I'm continuing to pick up little things here and there and learn. And so we'll see what happens from here on out. Looks like these are coming along just fine. So we're gonna let them continue to smoke for a while, and we'll be back to check on them here in just a little bit. Looks like our little birds here are coming up. They're plumping up real nice. They've got some really beautiful color on them, but I'm still waiting for a little bit. See how much longer these need to cook, and then we'll move on from there. Now that these have got the color I want, I'm going to go ahead and wrap them up for a little bit and finish them off that way. Hopefully they'll be really nice and tasty. Wow, so those look and smell divine. I'm just waiting to, I'm going to let them rest for a little bit, and then we're going to tear into these and see how they're tasting. So we'll be back in a bit. Alright, so got that first bite out, and got the skin off, got some meat off. Everything's looking good, really juicy and tender. I did forget to mention that I brined this for about 2.5 hours with some salt, kosher salt and water. And so this is the finished product, and it's got a good look, it's got a good taste, and that chicken is just really good. So I'm gonna enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this little episode I put together, and look forward to seeing you back on my channel. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.